Hey guys, welcome to a new channel. In this video, we have this iPhone 11 and I'm gonna show you how you can enable the Find My Phone option in your any iPhone. So here we go. So guys, first of all, make sure that you have connected an iCloud account to your iPhone. You can create a new one or use the older account. So after that, you have to click on settings and simply click on your account on the top here and then go to Find My Device. And after that, you're gonna see some options there. Click on the top one, Find My Phone, and just enable this one. And that's it guys. Now the Find My Phone option is enabled in your iPhone. So that's how you can enable Find My Phone option in any of the iPhone. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.